Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to share files from your Android phone to your laptop without using a USB cable. Let's get started. Step 1. Download the app. On your Android phone, open the Google Play Store and search for Wi-Fi FTP server. Download and install the app. Step 2. Set up the app. Open the app and tap Start to launch the FTP server. You'll see the server URL, username and password. Keep this screen open. Step 3. Connect to laptop. On your Windows laptop, open this PC. Right-click on a blank space and select Add a network location. In the wizard, click Next. Then click Next again. Enter the server URL shown in the app. It starts with ftp://. Click Next. Step 4. Log in. Uncheck the box that says Log on anonymously. Enter the username from the app. Click Next. Give the connection any name, like Phone FTP. Click Finish. When asked, enter the password from the app and then click Log on. And that's it. Your phone is now connected to your laptop via Wi-Fi. Open the new network location in File Explorer and you can now copy, move or manage files wirelessly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching.